Okay, friends, if you want a hotel with bunk beds, dual showers, water slides, but you also want free breakfast. So Courtyard is out of the question for you because you need that free breakfast. This is the hotel for you. This is Cambria. Full disclosure, I am being hosted here for tonight and I got a media rate for last night so that I can cover this hotel for you, but I always give you my honest opinion. So let's go take a look. All right, I'm going to show you 3 room types here at the Cambria, and then I'm going to tell you about the secret room type that you need to know about if you have a large family. So right now I am in the 2 queen suite, and let's zoom out here a little. One thing I love about the suites here, full fridge, full size fridge. Even though it's not like a full kitchen, it's got a full size fridge with a freezer section, which has been great. You got your microwave, a little bit of a dining area here. This is a pull-out sofa. So you can't sleep a little more. The sun is starting to get in the way on these hotel tours. We've been doing this all day. And then you have 2 queen beds. And I love these little toss me aside pillows. They're so cute. And here you have your TV. This is your closet space. One thing that last time I stayed here, I can't get them to open. It takes a little bit of muscle because they're magnetic. There it goes. But one thing that last time I stayed here is we had a fireworks view room, which I believe this one is too, because you can see over there where the sun's at is Tower of Terror and stuff. But it was really fun because we could see the reflection of the fireworks in our closet space. So that was really great. Okay, and in here you have 2 showers. Yes, 2. 2 showers, mirror with Bluetooth, and the toilet's in there and that slides so it's separate. This one's a shower tub combo. That one's just a shower, and they are great. You can get connecting rooms here, and so that is going to lead to a secret room type later on that you can book through Getaway today. Okay, this is a standard room at the Cambria, and it has 2 queens. Now, here's something you need to know. If you go to Cambria's website and you book a standard room, which also has 2 showers though, which is still nice. But if you book this on their site, you do not get the water park access. Water park access on their site is only available to guests staying in a suite, or you can upgrade when you're here. I don't remember the amount specifically. Maybe it's like $100 a night or something. So here's where it pays to book with Getaway today. If you book this hotel through Getaway today, even if you only book a standard room, you still get access to the water park. And you do get a mini fridge in these standard rooms as well as a microwave. So you have that. It's just not the full size fridge. But yes, this is why you want to book with Getaway today is they get these extra perks for you at these hotels. And unlike third-party mega sites like Expedia and things like that, they have individual relationships with all of these hotels. Oh my gosh, guys, I just saw the mountain view over here and looking over the city and stuff. That's beautiful. Okay, this one is the room that's built for my family. This is a king suite, but you'll see why it's built for my family of 5. And we sometimes travel with my mother-in-law, so that's where I'll tell you about the secret room type. Okay, so just like the queen, you have the full-size fridge, you have all of this, same table, basically the same layout in this room. Where it differs is you come in here, there is a giant king bed and a twin bunk bed with a pull-out trundle. So you have 3 twin beds, and I have 3 kids. So that's 1, 2, 3, perfect, right? And then you have this same bathroom as you've had this whole time. This works great for my family, but if we're traveling with a couple of friends or when my mother-in-law comes, yes, we could use the pull-out sofa. So technically you could sleep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in here. However, that makes a problem when you have 7 people, 1 bathroom. And we all know husbands like to get their escape from the kids right there. So they actually have a secret room type, and it's where you can book this room connected to a standard room. And it's really great. And what's really great is you can do this right on Getaway Today's site. It's listed as a family suite on their site, and it will say it's a king, bunk beds, trundle, and a standard 2 queen connecting rooms. It will say that in the description of the room, but it's a great way to get a bigger space have it connecting, but then also have like the two bedrooms, the two bathrooms. So definitely look into that. That's what I did when we came as a family with my mother-in-law, because we needed that extra bathroom in order to make it work for us. And it was great. Okay, friends, like I said, Cambria has a great pool area and water slides and a splash pad. I'm not going to show too much because you guys know my feelings on that at the pool. But one thing I do want to show you, and nobody is there, so I can, is it has a massive hot tub spa, whatever you want to call it. So let me flip this around. Okay, this is not a wading pool. This is not a regular pool. This is the spa hot tub. I would say it's probably 20 feet long and about 7 feet wide. So it's huge. We're on a pretty tight time crunch here because we have somewhere else to be. But another thing they have is they have a putting green, and they also have barbecues that you can have lit. So you can barbecue outside. And of course, you can come up here to their restaurant, the Splash Lounge, and you can order here as well. Other perks of this hotel. You guys know I love Courtyard. I love it to death. It's my favorite one. However, some people really want that free breakfast. So this kind of gives you a similar ability to have people and have 2 showers. And it does have 2 large water slides, even though it's not like a full water park. And with that, you can also get their free breakfast here. They have Mickey waffle makers. They serve potatoes and scrambled eggs and sausage and that kind of stuff, and fresh fruit. Lots of options. So definitely check out this hotel. Again, all of the hotels I've shown you, the best way to book them is through my partners at Getaway Today. I will have a specific link down in the comments, and that will get you all my best deals. Or you can call 855-GETAWAY, and that is 855-438-2929. Just make sure to tell them that Becca, the theme park tips gal, sent you, and that you want to lock in all of her special discounts, promo codes, all of that kind of stuff. That will get you the best rate possible on your vacation for Disneyland, whether it's the hotel ticket or a package for both.